proceeding and fail at the break. A small delay by the evening part, so we shall request.
Now, defense is one of the services. It's a service provided to the country by the army. But you find that this defense service is using equipment which is not made here, almost 100% in many of the African countries. In other words, we are consuming what we don't produce. So therefore, the modest steps we are taking here, not only in this factory, but there are some few other things around here and other places, are to solve that irrationality. Because that irrationality is very costly. You are talking of saving money. You are using helicopters, imported helicopters, which you don't make, but which you don't even maintain and repair. This is very serious. So this is just a modest step to say, okay, you are not yet making the helicopters, but at least maintain them, service them, and repairing.
The servicing of these assets has for long been carried out in foreign countries, which is, apart from being costly, denies the country opportunity to build internal capacity.